Happy birthday! About to have a drone photo shoot. Good morning. We're out here about to do the drone photo shoot for the girl, the birthday girl. It's called the Looking Glass. They're a company right here. About to see how it looks. I look cute in this. Okay. When you're coming to Turks and Caicos, make sure you set some money aside so you can book the clear kayaking photo shoot. We book with the Looking Glass Clear Kayaks and Paddleboard. They are a water sports company, so not only do they do the photo shoots, but they also do different type of water sports located in Grace Bay, Turks and Caicos. This drone photo shoot cost us less than $200 for our session. You don't have to be a professional model in order to do this. As long as you're confident, they will guide you the entire way. Only thing you have to do is come ready. And as a bonus, you get your pictures instantly. So go ahead and book with the Looking Glass for your drone photo shoot. It is a golden hour and we are about to go have dinner. Sunset dinner. See that. That's the birthday girl. Hey, yo, birthday girl, come get your shot. Last event for today. Day 5 or whatever day we're on. Going on a sunset cruise. Everybody's dressed in brown and the birthday girl is dressed in blue. No, pink. I'll put down the link on where you can find it. But here we are. We originally booked this excursion through Expedia, but if you want to book it directly from the website, you can. This is Ocean Vibe Scuba and Water Sports.
So we have rum punch, dark and stormy, Moscow Mule, red wine, white wine, local beers. And then we have a drink that's called Caicos Cran. That's cranberry and vodka in a can.
This is an adult-only sunset cruise where they give you alcoholic beverages or champagne and some samples of finger foods. The cruise lasts about 2 hours and it costs us no more than $125 per person.
Nice video, carry on.
Make sure your phone and camera is fully charged so you can get that perfect sunset shot. And as the sun is winding down, it is time to crank the music up and get this party started. Let's go. Sunset is over and done. It was so much fun. It was so fun. It's over with. I don't even think they can hear me, but what's up, y'all? It's your girl CC, and I'm back in it with another banger. He's still talking. I don't think they can hear you, bruh. They can't hear us. The wind is too much.
Hey, you gotta talk louder than that, we got.
But yeah, it's done and over with. We back to the shore. Okay, we got another cup. I don't know. Oh, we finna go do the wobble real quick and we'll be back.
Wobble. What's your drinks now? What you trying to get? Watch out with your drinks.
Get up here with me.
Spraying on everybody with new liquor.
I didn't see y'all.
We here with you.
She's super scary.
It's Sunday night and we feel alright. The party's here on our party. Oh, this is how we do it. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. Hey, go, go, go. Go, shorty. It's your birthday. Hey, get it, girl, get it, girl.
They got you on photo. Oh, no photo, please.
What is the name of the company? I don't know. Ocean
Vibes.
Oh, Ocean Vibes. We just got off Ocean Vibes Sunset Cruise.
The best sunset cruise on the island.
And period. It was lit. We made it lit. With the captain assist. Oh, he's trying to holler. He's trying to holler. I gotta go, guys. He's trying to holler at her right now. Alright now. Smile, look.
I'm smiling. I was fine.
We had a good time, guys. It was a blast.
One love.
One love. Until next time.
Ocean Vibe.
You're taller than me. Why are you taller than me?
I know. I'm stepping over here. Now see, we could be the same.
Why.
Now we're the same size.
Height.
Now you see, right? It's just a step.
All right. So Ocean Vibes,
Water sport.
water sports, sunset cruise. She's a solo traveler. You are? Okay, wait. Hold on. Wait. Until next time, you are Captain who?
Tony.
Captain Tony.
Yes.
With the low eyes. That look high.
Yeah, I keep it
but
low.
But he's not
I
high.
keep it low, but I'm not high.
You're not high?
Yeah.
It's just a vibe.
Yeah, just the
I got you.
vibe. I'm high once I pass the
Over and out, guys. We ended our Turks and Caicos excursion on a high with them. Book them. You will not regret it. It's worth every penny. Because you ain't drinking.
I'm drinking. I drank two.
You drank baby liquor. Rosie!
I had a rum punch and whatever you had.
I had like 4. The second one you took it back. Stop it. I saw you. I gave it back to Bonita. Stop it. Yeah, because you lying. Lie your face. You're lying.
Okay, I had one and
no.
I had 1 and 3 tips. Of course it's not gonna get you lit, Rosie.
I mean, you had elbow.
I barely ate. And I had like 4.5.
Yummy. Yeah.
You been saying the loud.
I understand that, but you don't have to yell at me.
I still love you
No
even
me
if I'm
gusta.
loud.
No me gusta, mira, espérate.
I'm sorry.
It's dry, right? Talk sound dry. 210. Talk sound dry.
They slow down, pull over. I think they're following us.
You got a pop. Hey. You got a pop. Code is 38. You got a pop 38.
Yes, man. Yo. Oh my God.
Yes.
Happy birthday to you. We ended the night with a dinner at Castaway. Now reading between the lines, guy, is not the spot to get food, but it is the spot to party. That night they had a live DJ. He got the party started and hyped up throughout the entire time. It was a hard time leaving that place. If you're looking for a good time to party and have some drinks, I don't know the day that they have the live DJ, but stop by Castaway. Overall, the birthday girl had a great celebration and we had a great time with her. As per usual, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Until next time, love you, peace out.